Instead of purchasing different bags for laptop and stationery items, it would be better to invest in one of the best laptop backpacks in 2022 that can carry all your items seamlessly. These bags are designed specifically for people who are always traveling or like to stay organized. They have separate compartments for organizing items as per your convenience. Besides, the backpacks for laptops are waterproof and made of high-quality material for better durability. Most of them also come with USB ports to allow you to charge your gadgets anywhere. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Laptop Backpacks. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Sola Laptop Backpack for Men. Sola Travel Backpack offers great convenience for charging your phone. External dimensions: 18.31 x 12.6 x 5.32 inch, with built-in USB charger outside and built-in charging cable inside. Black brand zippers of high quality, known for their durability and smoothness. Water-resistant 300D exterior nylon as well as protective soft padded interior provides incredible sturdiness and durability. One side pocket with magnetic buckle, which provide quick access and secure storage of small items. Number 4. Nuvoly Laptop Backpack. Laptop Backpack offers a convenient on-the-go access to portable power, with USB charging port outside and a set-in charging cable. Great for charging your phone or other electronic devices while walking. 17-inch computer backpack is made of waterproof and high-quality polyester fabric. This college backpack features a double-sided smooth zip and reinforced stitching for durability. Large padded compartment with elastic strap for 17.3-inch laptop computers, one interior mesh pocket for business file accessories. Number 3. Wenig Laptop Backpack. Business Laptop Backpack has 3 main pockets and 9 inner small pockets and 2 side pockets and 1 back pocket. Laptop pocket fits 15.6-inch, 15-inch or 14-inch MacBook/laptop. Convenient main pockets for iPad, charger, binders, books, clothes, etc. Inside pockets keep your wallet, phone. A luggage sleeve allows business backpack fit on luggage/suitcase, slide over the luggage upright handle tube for easier transport. Also fit under the seat. Number 2. XQXA Travel Laptop Backpack. This black backpack with one separate padded laptop compartment holds and protects laptops from 13-inch, 14-inch, 15-inch, up to 15.6-inch. The middle spacious compartment for daily/work/travel/school necessities. This men's backpack is made of high-density, light and durable, smell-less water-resistant polyester material with smooth zippers, ensure comfy and long-lasting everyday and traveling usage. Backpack with USB charging port/an earphone slit. Number 1. Mancro Laptop Backpack. Laptop backpack with perfect size to hold things in your 15.6-inch laptop or 15-inch, 14-inch laptop. Convenient main pockets for iPad, charger, binders, books, clothes, etc. There are pockets on the sides of the backpack for water bottle or umbrella, comes with durable snaps. The design of the luggage strap allows the backpack to slide over the luggage tube, makes you easier to carry while traveling. The anti-theft backpack comes with a customizable password lock, provides the safety of your laptop, wallet.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.